This is not about tax advice. This is about how taxes affect the stock market. I'm not making changes to accounts that I manage for clients based on what might or might not happen with taxes. Because when taxes have gone up or gone down, investors adjust, the business community adjusts, and we just march right past it. I think other things that could keep the stock market afloat that could come with tax increases are spending. And typically, what happens is when the government does raise taxes, it does raise spending as well. And it's that kind of stimulus that puts money directly into the economy that gets stocks moving, that gets the economy really moving much, much better. So there's no proof that, raising taxes is bad for the stock market. We could get a tax increase in 2022. If taxes go up, we expect stimulus from the Biden administration, an infrastructure spending bill. And these are all very good for the economy. Tax increases may not be the obstacle that many investors expect. Typically, there is a sizable federal spending as an offset, and the stock market has the potential to see past the tax increases because of so many other factors. There's just too many things to consider in determining future stock returns, which, by the way, do we know if taxes are going to go up for sure? No, we don't. Get ready for it, but you really can't change anything until you figure out what the tax policies are going to look like. It might affect capital gains rates. It might not. Maybe you'll get a tax break on IRA distributions. You should also know this: about 75% of all stock holdings are in tax deferred or tax sheltered accounts. So the impact of capital gains taxes on the stock market is not nearly as big today as it was, let's say, 20 years ago. So the bottom line is, we don't really know what corporate taxes, personal taxes, or capital gains taxes are going to be. But historically, and we can only use history as a guide for this, when taxes have gone up, it has not been a problem for the stock market. And if you can prove it to me otherwise, I'd love to see that, and we'll talk about that.